The next company is called Pink. And for this one, we actually have two presenters coming out on stage. So please welcome the dynamic duo of Rupert and Seth.
Wow, that's a bit bigger than I thought it would be. Thank you very much for coming here and seeing us talk about Pink today.
Hi everyone, my name is Seth Ward. I am a serial tech entrepreneur, and a couple of years ago I exited a business called Scout7. And we used a combination of something called wisdom of crowds together with expert human insight to help pro football clubs make smart investment decisions, specifically choosing which players to buy. Since then I've invested all my time and money tackling a bigger problem with Pink, which is this time helping everyday people to make smart, safe, sustainable investment decisions, but this time augmented with the power of artificial intelligence.
Because everyday investors truly have a monumental problem on their hands. The odds are stacked against them. 76% of Western millennials are financially illiterate. This means $1.4 trillion a year is invested badly, or what's worse, not invested at all. Now, this is going to create a colossal generational problem, and it's something that we need to solve. Now, we believe we've got the solution for that. We gamify and we democratize the investment process. We allow people to work as a global team to drive one single investment fund. We've got 9,500 global users right now, and that drives our crowd wisdom system, our special sauce.
So those users are rewarded financially for coming into our app every day and making investment recommendations. The data provided by the crowd is then fed into our artificial intelligence, which looks at each user's historic track record and success rates in making those predictions, along with other data from the market, and tells us who to trade with and who to trade against for any particular asset at any particular point in time. The third part of the decision-making process is our expert analysts, who bring their own human insight into play along with technical analysis and make their own recommendation. And it's only when those three distinct forms of intelligence agree on a trade that we make a trade.
Our crowd wisdom and AI approach has allowed us to return more than 9.5% in the last 3 months alone. We're focusing this on the $4.5 trillion millennial investment market, and we're most focused on right now the $221 billion spent by 28 to 45-year-olds who are more entrepreneurial mindset.
So we have a really simple business model. We take a monthly management fee from our users of 0.12% of assets under management. And that comes through two channels. So it's direct to consumer through our app, but we're also partnering with challenger banks, financial institutions whose customers want to make those smart, sustainable, ethical investments.
Our Rockstar team have built systems for BlackRock, JP Morgan, Google, Unilever. I could go on. We've got the team that we believe that can build a business with ultimate upside. We've been supported by some of the world's biggest banks, and we made it here to Web Summit semi-final, so we're really proud and pumped about that. Thank you, everybody.
Thank you. So we define a new category of team investing, where our users collaborate to make smart, safe, sustainable investment decisions.
What could be better than a fund designed by the people, for the people, that makes ethical, tech-for-good investments that benefits everybody globally? Thank you.